Ernest Hemingway. His full name was Ernest Miller Hemingway, born 21st of July 1899 in Chicago. He died the 2nd of July 1961 in Idaho, where he committed suicide due to his depression and pain. He was best known as one of the 20th century's most influential authors. A lot of new writers followed Hemingway's style, but this influence has taken three forms: thematic, stylistic, and the Papa Hemingway lifestyle. He was best known for his works A Farewell to Arms from 1929 and The Old Man and the Sea from 1952, with themes as death, nature, war, loss, love, and grace under pressure. In 1952, he was in a plane crash which left him in pain and depression for the rest of his life. This led to his suicide. He also tried electroshock therapy to cure his depression, but according to him, it affected his memory.
During the 1920s, he lived in Paris with his first wife, Elizabeth Richardson. In Paris, he met the writer Gertrude Stein, who became his mentor. Most of his best works was created in Paris. His wife became pregnant in 1923, and they got the son John. In 1927, he divorced Richardson and married Pauline Pfeiffer. In 1928, he got his son Patrick, and a few years later, George.
He had several outdoor hobbies as hunting, fishing, and camping. He played sports as boxing and football, and he was a talent in English classes. Therefore, he also worked on the school paper. Later on, he tried as a journalist after high school in 1917 because he wouldn't go to college. In 1918, he went to serve the Army Red Cross, where he went to Italy. After he came back to the US, he became a reporter for Canadian and American newspaper. His entire life, he traveled around the world and got inspired to his writings. In 1937, he went to Spain as a reporter. During that time, the Spanish Civil War was in action, which was a rebellion to the regime of Franco. Hemingway supported the Republicans. This trip was hard on his marriage. His wife was a Catholic and supported the regime of Franco, where Hemingway supported the Republican government.
When he came back from Spain in 1939, he divorced Pauline due to their political beliefs. He married his companion during the travel in Spain, Martha Gellhorn. They got divorced in 1945. In 1946, he married Mary Wills.